We all know ChatGPT can create blog posts about anything, so maybe you are already using it. But I recently upgraded to ChatGPT4 and I installed these two plugins that will create a blog post which is SEO friendly, social media friendly, so it actually seems like it's been written by a human being, and it also generates copyright-free images that I can use in the blog post. I'm currently trying to grow my business, and of course I need to grow my brand, I need to grow my online presence as well as SEO. And what a great boost it is for SEO to write a blog. However, ideally I should write 3 blogs per day, so one for my website, one for LinkedIn, and one for medium.com. However, there's only 24 hours a day, and I also need to sleep a little bit. I'm going to create a blog post about Riverside FM because I've recently became their collaborator. This is not a promotion, I mean it is a little bit, but you know. By the way, if you use the link in the description and then at the checkout use code Nicole15, you're going to receive 15% off your Riverside subscription. Happy podcasting! Plugins I'm going to use are going to be Speedy Marketing for SEO friendly and social media friendly blog posts, and Image Search for copyright-free images. I've tried to generate article in usual free ChatGPT 3.5 without plugins, and this is the result, and I don't really like how it looks like. It's very random, it's very simple, there's no highlighted text, there's no formatting at all, and obviously there's no images. I'm going to show you how it looks like when you do it in ChatGPT4 using these two plugins. Overall, as you can see, I'm very happy with it. I had to double check a couple of things because ChatGPT obviously is not optimized for 2023, and Riverside FM added some additional features that are not included in the article, and or some information is wrong, so I just need to change that. But to be fair, overall this is very specific article, this is very specific software, and even for the images, of course it couldn't find specific images for Riverside, and the whole thing was just like, let's say 80% finished. It saves me a huge percentage of my time, and now I'm able to produce 3 blogs per day, every day, because it's not such a time-consuming task. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, comment below. I'm going to answer every single comment to my best abilities. And if you have any suggestions, also comment. Don't forget to subscribe because I have more videos like this coming. And again, don't forget, if you want to sign up for Riverside, use the link below, and Nicole15 is the discount code. You're welcome. See you next time.